Kat, this is Kaya. This is Baby Q. Daughter of Claudine Barreto. Yes, super. Kanina pa siya nag-aabang. And this is Noah. Hi, so say hi. Say picture, thank you. Noah, look at
Anak ni Claudine Barreto na si Kia hindi napigilan ang maiyak at maging emosyonal matapos mamit sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ang kanyang iniidolong si Catherine Bernardo. Tila hindi nga napigil ang maiyak sa sobrang tuwa at saya ang anak ni Claudine Barreto na si Kia matapos niyang makaharap at makilala ng personal ang kanyang iniidolo na si Catherine Bernardo. Mula sa bidyong ibinahagi online ay mapapanood nga natin ang nakakatuwang moment kung saan makikitang talagang sobrang overwhelmed si Kia nang makita niya ng harapan ng aktres na si Catherine Bernardo. Mapapanood din na talagang hindi niya napigilan ang kanyang luha kung saan ay halo-halong emosyon ang kanyang naramdaman and na yung naiyak siya sa saya, kilig, at hindi makapaniwala na sa wakas kaharap na niya mismo ang taong matagal na niyang iniidolo. Samantala, pinuri at marami naman ang talagang natuwa kay Catherine Bernardo dahil hindi lang siya basta bumati kay Kia dahil sobrang accommodating at naging warm din ito kay Kia kaya naman naging mas espesyal ang kanilang pagkikita at talagang napaka-memorable. Narito panuurin natin ang buong video na naibahagi.
okay na. Say hi again. Say hi again, Ate Catherine. Hi again, baby. Hello! Tita Lulu! Anak ni Claudine. Umiiyak kasi na-meet na si Catherine. Kasi nga na-meet niya, sobrang idol niya talaga. Sobra. Alam niya lahat yung mga shows mo. And even yung mga cast, even yung mga maliliit. Super. Ay, Tita Lulu, okay lang. Naantay lang namin siya, nakacheck. Nung try na, dito sa atin ka din na.
Did you eat dinner? Okay. Nice meeting you.
Bye dito, sige.
Yeah, see you again.
Ha? Kaya.
Hi, Kaya.
Baby Q. Kaya tuwan-tuwa siya kasi Q yung name mo rin, di ba?
Oh, yes, cute.
Sobra.
That's my niece hand. Cute.
Yun niya eh.
Because of that,
Yeah. Iyak. Sige, thank you. Bye, Tita Lulu. Bye. Oh, stop crying now. Try again. Try again, Ate Catherine. Try again, baby. Hello. Tita Lulu. Anak ni Catherine. Iyak. Kasi namin niya sa alam niya lahat yung mga shows mo. Even yung mga cast, even yung mga maliliit. Nantay na namin siya. Okay na, dito sa atin kapita.
Did you eat dinner? Okay. Nice meeting you.
Bye.
Sige, I'll see you again.
Ha? Kaya. Baby Q. Kaya tuwan-tuwa siya kasi Q yung name mo rin.
Oh, yes. Cute. That's my niece hand. Cute.
Yun niya eh.
Because of that,
Yeah.
Bye,
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Say, I'm Baby Q, brother. Sige. Kat, this is Kaya. This is Baby Q. Daughter of Claudine Barreto. Yes, super. Kanina pa siya nag-aabang. And this is Noah. Hi, so say hi. Say picture, thank you. Noah, look here, smile, baby. Thank you.
Punta kayo?
Yeah, from TVL si Claudine. Andun siya kanina, nag-aabang. Andun lang siya. Actually, bakit yata sila on stage?
Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Ivy. Sige. Chat, this is Kaya. This is Baby Q. Daughter of Claudine Barreto. Yes. Kanina pa siya nag-aabang. And this is Noah. Nice picture, thank you. Noah, look here, smile, baby. Thank you.
Punta kayo?
From TVL. Andun siya kanina, nag-aabang. Andun lang siya. Actually, bakit yata sila on stage? Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Ivy. Big girl.
That's what I'm getting for that. Okay, so they don't
Massage
broadcast
naman.
how they feel to their friends, to anybody. This is a connection.
Sweet
This is
score.
fantasy. This is an obsession that they really feel constantly. And it's kind of kept under wraps.
Go
But
away.
they do think
Now we have, go away. Tama. Is that?
yeah, we have a Page of Pentacles.
Okay, first this one.
It's not a King of Pentacles, but this is someone that
How you
really
make
does want to build some sort of stability with you.
How you?
That does want to update
Oh no, your mana kay mommy, even if they pinch this and I don't shout. Some people are like, ouch!
Okay, and the judgment here, like in the
Sarap,
sense
no?
that the final judgment hasn't been called on this, okay, whether this connection is able to be a romantic
Good na.
connection or